Some definitions on LLP, linear programming problem. First, solution, a set of values of the decision variables which satisfy the constraints of a linear programming problem. LPP is called a solution of the linear programming problem. LPP. 2. The feasible solution, a solution of LPP which also satisfies the non-negativity restrictions of the problem is called a feasible solution. 3. Basic feasible solution, BFS, a feasible solution to the LPP which is also a basic solution to the problem is called a basic feasible solution to the LPP. The types of basic feasible solutions: 1. Non-degenerate basic feasible solution. A non-degenerate basic feasible solution is the basic feasible solution in which has exactly m positive xi, I equals to 1, 2 and so on m. In other words, all m basic variables are positive and the remaining n variables will be in 0. Degenerate basic feasible solution. A basic feasible solution is called degenerate if one or more basic variables are 0 valued. 4th, the basic solution to the set of the constraints a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus so on plus a1n xn plus a plus xn plus 1 equals to b1 a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus so on plus a2n xn plus xn2 equals to b2 so on am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus so on plus amn xn plus xn plus m equals to bm, where x1 is greater than equal to 0, x2 is greater than equal to 0 and so on, xn is greater than equal to 0 and so on, xn plus m is greater than equal to 0 is called the solution obtained by setting any of the n variables among the m plus n variables equal to 0 and solving for the remaining m variables provided the determinant of the coefficients of these m variable is non-zero. Such a m variables, some of them m may be 0, are called as the basic variables, and the remaining n non-zero valued variables are called non-basic variables. The number of the basic solution of these obtained will be at the most m plus n cm equals to m plus n factorial upon n factorial into m factorial, which is the number of the combinations of n plus m things taken m at a time. 5th, optimum basic feasible solution. A basic feasible solution is said to be optimum or optimal if it is also optimize, maximize or minimize the objective function of linear programming problem. Unbounded solution, if the values of the objective function can be increased or decreased indefinitely, such solutions are unbounded solutions.